Hello everybody, and welcome to a new episode of How to DIY. And today's episode is going to be about my new project, my Audi A4 1.6 that we have to find spare parts for. And this Audi A4 is from 1997, and right in that year they changed the parts after a certain chassis number. So I have to figure out the correct chassis number of this car, something you always have to do when you buy it, of course. And the places where you can find your chassis number so you know that you're buying the correct parts that will fit your car. The first place is right here on the side, on a sticker. And of course a sticker doesn't say that much, everybody can put a sticker on there. But it looks pretty clean, it looks pretty okay. Second place where you can find your chassis number is right under the firewall. I hope it shows up. Right under the firewall we got the same exact number. The third place where you can find your chassis number of your Audi and your Volkswagen is in your manual, your service manual. You'll be finding it on the very first place and find a similar sticker with all the information and your chassis number. And there's a fourth place, and that is where your spare wheel is. And the fourth place where you can find your chassis number is right here at your spare wheel. You'll be finding another sticker similar to in your manual with a lot of information, whatever, also your motor code. But right here on top is the chassis number, the correct chassis number. So everything is okay. Now I'm sure to order the correct parts that will fit this car, and that is very helpful information. And I hope that was very helpful to you guys, and you help me out by giving this video a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe for the next episode of my Audi A4 1.6 project. I will say goodbye, and I hope to see you next time.